Hi, I'm J.W. Harrington, Professor of Geography and Chair of the Faculty Senate. I'm in Savory Hall 260, which is where the Senate will meet this year for our regularly scheduled meetings and probably any special meetings we might have. Any of you who've been on the Senate can see that this is a smaller and slightly less formal space than Gowan 301, where we've met for so many years. The change in room is because the Senate's changed. It's a smaller Senate based on some changes that the entire faculty voted on last academic year. As a result of a smaller Senate, we hope to have better, more informative Senate meetings. It does pose a challenge, though. There'll be fewer senators per faculty member, which means we're going to have to work harder to communicate between senators and faculty, between colleagues and their senators, and between the leadership and the faculty as a whole. It's one of the things that we learned very strongly last year, that good communication is vitally important in a university facing as many challenges and changes as we are. It's difficult to figure out how to post a very formal statement of what's going on when things are changing constantly. That's why what we've started, among other things, is a Senate blog. This will allow senators and Senate leadership to correspond directly with the university community at large, and for anyone in the university community, faculty, staff, and students, to comment on a post, to comment on comments, to hear each other, hopefully to begin to learn from each other, because we've got a lot of different perspectives at the university. We also have a lot of issues this year. We've got the departure of Mark Emmert after just over 6 years as university president. We'll now have a new interim president, Phyllis Wise, a new interim provost, and we've got budget issues, as always, it seems. We've got a mid-year budget cut. We've faced the legislative session to decide a biennial budget in which the state faces even more revenue shortfalls compared to demands in the state budget, and the university may face even more cuts. So we're going to need to figure out how to maintain quality of the institution. That's easy to say and difficult to do, but it is the main priority of faculty as expressed in a recent survey. To help us, we want to hear from you, we want to get comments, examples of how things are going around the university. So just go to senateblog.uw.edu and give us some comments. Thanks a lot.